Morning, everybody. I am going to go over breakfast using my nutrition templates. So I have my goals set up to eat 5 times a day, and just never specific, just what I like, you know what I mean? So I'm going to go over my protein and fat choices today. Trader Joe's has these really cool egg omelets. Each side comes with 2. When you go to the food label on the back, it's going to tell you how much is in each. So one container is a little side dealio, right? So you're going to see that total fat and protein, because I'm going to have both of the eggs in here is listed, right? And when we're looking at our little table, protein, if you're looking at the macronutrients, your serving size is going to be 20 to 30 grams if you get a food label. So this says 33. I will round, and I will call this 1 circle of protein for my day. All right. When we're looking at carbs, it's going to say 1 cup, 20 to 30 grams, or a half to a 2/3 cup cooked. So what I'm going to do is, after I microwave my rice, I am going to use 1 measuring cup, and I'll call that 2 servings of protein. And then we're coming back to this food label. It says 35 grams of fat between both of these little omelet guys. So fat is 1 thumb, 7 to 16 grams of there, or a teaspoon. So since I have the food label, I'll use this, right? And it says it's 35. So that's gonna be 3 servings of my fat for the day. So I'll come over here, I'll color in 1 circle, I'll color in 2 circles, and I'll color in 3 circles, and it's that simple, tribe. All right, we got lunch going in. I'm gonna show how to use a food scale. I put my plate on it, zeroed it out. It's ground beef. The weight of the seasoning, I'm not really worried about. We're gonna go with the ounces setting, somewhere between 3 and 4. Really don't get too bent out of shape about how many exact ounces you're getting in here. So I'll go closer to 4 since it has seasoning on it, right? And out of all the things to undereat, we never want it to be protein. So that's 3.95 ounces of meat. That's 1 serving of protein. If I wanted to make it 2, it would be somewhere between 6 and 8. And then I'm gonna add another ½ cup of rice to this, and that'll be this real quick lunch. All right, so we have 1 more for the night, and I'm gonna show a really important kind of thing with the estimations, because this works out perfect. The fat for serving is 15, the protein is 32. When we look at our cheat sheet, you're gonna see protein 1 serving is 20 to 30. So technically 32 is over. When you look at fat, a serving is 7 to 12. So again, if your goal is fat loss during this, you're gonna look at 15 grams of fat, and even though it's only 3 more than 1 serving, you're gonna count it as 2. And even with that protein, even though it's only 32, so it's literally 2 grams more, you're gonna count it as 2. And it's just remembering your goal is that it's within the range without going over is gonna be more important than anything.